Kamusta mga kabasketbolista? Tinalo ng Converse Fiber Xers ang Renorsian Elasto Panthers sa Game 1 ng Best of 3 Series Quarterfinals, 130-118. Tinanghal na Best Player of the Game si Justin Arana sa likod na kanang 22 points, 8 rebounds. Top performer naman ng Renorsian Elasto Panthers si Chongson sa likod na kanang 23 points, 3 rebounds at 2 assists. Humakot si Diallo ng 35 points, 17 rebounds, 3 assists at 3 blocks. Jordan Heding 21 points, 3 rebounds, 9 assists, 1 steal at 2 blocks. Stockton 13 points, 1 rebound, 10 assists, 1 steal at 1 block. Justin Baltasar 13 points, 6 rebounds, 2 assists at 1 block. Rakal 2 points, 4 rebounds, 3 assists. Nag-ambag naman si Arana ng 22 points at 8 rebounds. Winston 17 points, 4 rebounds, 4 assists at 1 steal. De Los Santos 4 points, 1 assist at 1 steal. Brian Santos 3 points, 1 rebound. Ambuhot 0 point. Para naman sa natalong Renorsian Elasto Panthers, assist Joe 14 points, 2 rebounds, 5 assists. Dion Thompson 14 points, 6 rebounds, 2 assists at 1 block. Clareto 10 points, 4 rebounds, 3 assists. El Diponso 9 points at 1 steal. Chongson 23 points, 3 rebounds at 2 assists. Nag-ambag naman si Nocom ng 14 points, 3 assists at 2 steals. Ket Dato 12 points, 4 rebounds, 1 assist at 1 steal. Karakot 8 points, 2 assists at 1 block. Lemete 6 points at 1 assist. Bo Belga 5 points, 4 rebounds, 1 assist at 1 steal. Santillan 3 points, 1 rebound at 1 assist. Kung bago ka pa lamang sa channel na to, mag-like na at subscribe. Pinataob naman ng Barangay Ginebra ang Meralco Bolts 192. Best Player of the Game si Scottie Thompson sa likod ng kanang 23 points, 7 rebounds, 6 assists, 4 steals at 1 block. Top performer naman ng Meralco Bolts si Chris Newsome sa likod ng kanang 20 points, 4 rebounds, 4 assists at 1 steal. Nagtala naman si Brownlee ng 23 points, 9 rebounds, 2 assists at 1 steal. Japit Aguilar 19 points, 9 rebounds, 1 assist at 1 block. Troy Rosario 8 points, 3 rebounds at 2 assists. Stephen Holt 6 points, 3 rebounds, 1 assist at 1 steal. Scottie Thompson 23 points, 7 rebounds, 6 assists, 4 steals at 1 block. Nag-ambag naman si Abarientos ng 14 points, 4 rebounds, 6 assists at 1 steal. Malonzo 7 points, 2 rebounds at 1 steal. Ahan Mise 1 rebound. Para naman sa natalong Meralco Bolts, Mitchell 19 points, 14 rebounds, 6 assists at 3 steals. Banquero 12 points, 4 rebounds, 4 assists at 2 steals. Bongkinto 11 points, 4 rebounds, 3 assists at 1 steal. Clifford Hodge 4 points, 2 rebounds at 1 steal. Chris Newsome 20 points, 4 rebounds, 4 assists at 1 steal. Nag-ambag naman si Rios ng 13 points, 3 rebounds, 1 assist at 1 steal. Almasan 8 points, 4 rebounds, 1 assist at 1 block. Aaron Black 5 points, 1 assist. Brandon Bates 2 rebounds. Cancino 0 point. Kung umabot ka dito sa video na to, mag-like na at subscribe. Heto ang playoffs quarterfinals team standings as of February 5, 2025. Ang Converse Fiber Xers ay may 1-0 lead kontra sa Renorsian Elasto Panthers. Ang Barangay Ginebra ay may 1-0 lead din kontra sa Meralco Bolts. Kung umabot ka dito sa bahagi ng video na to, mag-like na at subscribe. Heto ang quarterfinals game schedule ngayong February 6, 2025 na gaganapin sa Ninoy Aquino Stadium. Magtutos ang Northport Batang Pair na may twice to beat advantage kontra sa Magnolia Hotshots alas 5 ng hapon. Maglalaban din ang TNT Tropang Giga na may twice to beat advantage kontra sa Eastern Hong Kong alas 7:30 ng gabi. Kung nagustuhan mo ang video na to, mag-like na at subscribe.